Elon Musk has given an update on the brain-computer interface company Neuralink, which we talked about, believe it or not, like a year ago. Whoa, that's a long time. This is that interface that is going to allow humans to be cyborgs, interface with AI, not be obsoleted by AI because we know what AI is actually doing because we're able to interface in a fashion that's more sophisticated than the way that we do right now, using our mitts and our eyeballs and all this nasty bio stuff. So anyway, they've done some trials on animals. I believe there's nothing on humans yet. This company is dating back now to 2016, but of course the major development, the reveal, was July 2019, so a year ago, which is wild at this point. But apparently there's going to be an update. The company will provide an update on its progress on August 28th. So we're getting an update in a little bit more than a month and a half. And they're going to let us know exactly what they've seen, what they've been working on. Maybe they stuck it in a human, Will. Those tiny little threads. Painless procedure, Will.
I mean, Elon would be first, right?
Do you think he'd...
A successful test.
I don't think he would submit himself to be the very first. Maybe. I'm not sure. But there's no shortage of people that want to sign up to be first, for the record.
Did we have this conversation?
We probably had this conversation. I don't think I would want to be first. I'd be a little more down the road, but there are a tremendous number. There's going to be people below this clip right here in the comment section that are saying, sign me up, I'm ready to do it.
Yeah.
I mean, the promise is pretty intense. If you could have this brain interface with everything that is intelligence, with all the information in the world, and you didn't have to use language or words to search for it, but just thoughts. I mean, can you imagine what the implications of this are? Enormous. So there's going to be plenty of people that want to be at the absolute forefront of that potential advantage. But as you know, with great risk, with great reward comes great risk. I reversed it. The potential for risk, of course, I mean, that's just the nature of the thing. Who knows where it's going to go? The reason we're talking about, the reason it's exciting is because it's new and it's bizarre and all the rest of it. And so it's going to take some time before it becomes the status quo, before it becomes a thing that everybody's willing to do. But I'm telling you, man, you look at it and it's the science fiction aspect, it seems inevitable. You think to yourself, yeah, I guess so. Like VR, everything in the presence of this, all of our attempts at any kind of technological advancement or merging or whatever, everything looks rudimentary compared to just linking up via your brain directly in this fashion here. However, I'm sure there are a tremendous number of limitations for the time being, but early stages, much like when we were looking at the Spot robot, you got to just expand a vision, imagine where it can go, what it can all mean. And just in case people aren't familiar with it, the position that Elon takes is that this is not something you should be afraid of, but something that you should be doing proactively as a security measure against the potential power of AI, which may not include humans. Yes. That's the idea, and that this is some sort of way of advancing humans alongside the AI progression.
So like anti-Terminator.
Exactly. This is your savior. But to be fair, that's a better way to sell it. Are we having a sound effect moment right now? Were you ready with that? Is that a soundboard? You had a button ready to go? Yeah, it's incredible. Wow, this show, the production value, we're almost ready for Quibi with this show.
Oh,
we're almost ready for our premium version.
Ready for that deal.
Anyway, if I was trying to sell you on a Neuralink, I would tell you this is your only savior from AI. Yes. Because then you're going to say, well, damn, I better get one of those. So anyway, but he might be right. He certainly has spent a little more time on AI than you or I, and probably most people watching this.